Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Highlander front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the parking brake is engaged. You'll need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a ratchet with appropriate sockets. Turning the front wheels will give you better access to the fasteners inside the wheel wells, making the initial steps much smoother. Next, let's tackle the fasteners. Start by removing the plastic clips located along the top edge of the bumper, usually visible when you open the hood. Then, move to the wheel wells and unscrew the bolts that connect the bumper to the fender liners. Don't forget to check underneath the bumper for any additional clips or screws that might be holding it in place. Before you can fully remove the bumper, you'll need to disconnect any attached components. If your Highlander has fog lights, carefully unplug their electrical connectors. Also, look for any sensor wiring harnesses, such as those for parking sensors, and disconnect them. Double-check that all wiring and hoses are completely free and clear to prevent damage when the bumper comes off. Now for the final step, carefully remove the bumper. Start by gently pulling it away from the vehicle, beginning at the sides where it meets the fenders. It's a good idea to have a soft blanket or cardboard ready on the ground to place the bumper on, protecting it from scratches. Take a moment to inspect the mounting points for any wear or broken clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.